Why do most men lose intimacy over time, while the 1% keep it alive for life? I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. In this video, I'll show you how the 1% master intimacy in their relationships and keep the passion alive. Point number 1, they keep pursuing and they stay curious. They never stop dating, flirting, or surprising their wife. Intimacy thrives on pursuit. Intimacy dies when curiosity dies. Intimacy dies when you neglect it. What you focus on thrives, grows, flourishes. What you neglect will eventually die. Elite men keep learning their wives mentally, emotionally, and physically. And that to a woman, it is sexy. We love that. Be willing to go that extra mile with her. Point number 2, they prioritize connection daily, even if it's just like 5, 10, 15 minutes, not just sex. Daily affection, eye contact, presence, attention, listening. Connection comes from passion. When you intentionally do those things and you are interested and curious about her again, she just won't be able to understand why she just wants to be all over you, help you become the man that you always wanted to become, support you even through the hard times, just because of you being curious again about her. Point number 3, they create safety, and women crave safety. No woman opens up in chaos. It is hard, difficult. You can't do that. You can't force that. Elite men create emotional and physical safety, so intimacy flows naturally. If you're ready to master intimacy in your marriage, download the free marriage ROI toolkit. Link is in the description or pinned comment below. Grab it now. Point number 4, they mix playfulness with passion. Let me tell you. So intimacy isn't all serious. It's not. And marriage shouldn't be all serious either. There's got to be point in time when to be playful, when to have fun, because marriage is about fun as well. And adventure, even if it's just like the small little things. I do believe that it's important to have fun in your marriage. You're having fun with your partner, your best friend. It's not always about logistics and seriousness all the time. That kills intimacy if it's not incorporated with playfulness as well. Elite men protect laughter, flirting, and fun because they know that fuels passion in the marriage. They understand that play is part of marriage and that it fuels the passion. Point number 5, they stay healthy. Being able to be active. A man who takes care of his body stays attractive to a woman. You know, we also want to be attracted to you. As a woman, it is important for us to be desirable for our men, but also vice versa. Specifically in a marriage, you want to be desirable for each other. So when you stay active, when you take care of yourself little by little, she naturally will see that. She'll see the difference in you, and she just won't be able to help but to jump on you, to be honest, and be all over you. And she will not be able to help herself, but to be attracted to you. And you know, one thing can lead to another. Physical health is part of intimacy. It shows discipline and self-respect. Point number 6, they align spiritually. Intimacy isn't just physical. It is also spiritual. Couples who align in faith build a deeper bond that fuels attraction long-term. Faith alone is important to have in business, right? But can you imagine incorporating faith in your marriage as well, and both parties being, involved with that? When it gets super tough, you obviously need faith, right? Faith is about something that you're not in control of, but you have that belief that everything will turn out well because you're going to be better, they're going to be better. And naturally, through those tough seasons, faith is going to help you get through it, overcome those tough challenges. And the more that you grow, the more that you can overcome and be better and endure. Naturally, that marriage just becomes stronger and stronger, and there's nothing that can break you guys. Listen to me. Intimacy doesn't fade when it's treated like an art. I highly, highly suggest that you download the free marriage ROI toolkit below, because it has 5 tools to help you reconnect and reignite passion again in your marriage. Grab it now. Link is in the description or pinned comment below. I'm looking forward to hearing your results from it.